What place is this?
Nidal.
We are already here in Nidal's van. Yeah. Look how beautiful. Yeah. We're riding with us electric scooter. Pusha. Look. The building is very nice. Look. And here. Plenty of people here. You know, it's just like it's a park for children, family, like that. Look. Oh, ang ganda. Grabe. Todo na to. Look, the building is. Ayan. Tapos river. Like a river.